HTML web page, I'm going to be using my default browser Chrome or Safari to inspect elements on this specific web page, and I'm going to do that by clicking the three dots and opening up the developer tools through more tools in order to examine the code. I can make use of the arrow on the top right to inspect an element. I can toggle over it, hover over it, or select on it. And if I do select on it, the code on the right picks up on the text that has been selected, or an image for that matter, and it will show me the attributes and elements that I've set for each object on the web page. Further, I can go under styles in order to check or uncheck specific attributes and elements of the web page. For example, the background color, which is currently set to antique white. If I uncheck the box, the color will be removed and that element style will be checked out or crossed out. I'm going to leave it at selected because I like this background color. Under the console, it shows the alert that I have commented out on VS Code. And that's why it says hello on here. And in order to view the sources, I have it open in a new tab on here, and on Safari I would just have to click on sources to view it, to further examine the code. And one thing that I found most interesting is that if I were to toggle over this with the developer tool, then I could see the short form for the attributes that will just pop up as a pop-up, which makes it easier to analyze all the attributes and elements I've set for each object. For example, the color and the font size. Yeah, and for the image, it would say the size of the image. But if I wanted to, I could go ahead and change the specific text from, for example, add exclamation points, and it will change that on the actual web page as well. Thank you.